Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And are you looking for the perfect Makar Sankranti gift that both practical and stylish? Let me introduce you to the foldable storage bin with lid and handle. These versatile storage baskets are a game changer for organizing your space, whether it's a toy, clothes, papers and books, or even makeup. These bin have got you covered. The lid keep everything dust free and neatly tucked away, well, the handle makes it super easy to carry from room to room. What I love most is their foldable design. When you are not using them, simply collapse them down for easy storage. This means they won't take up unnecessary space in your home, perfectly for those who love a clutter-free environment. Now let's talk about gifting with Makar Sankranti just around the corner, and these storage bins make an excellent special gift ideas under 199. They are practical, thoughtful, and suitable for anyone from kids to adults. And imagine gifting a family with young children a stylish way to organize their toys, or helping a friend tidy up their workspace. Plus, they come in various colors and designs, so you can easily pick one that match your loved ones home decor. It's a gift that shows you care about their space and lifestyle. So this Makar Sankranti, think outside the box. Literally grab a foldable storage bin with a lid and handle is a thoughtful gift that combines functionality with style. Your friends and family will appreciate the gesture, and you will be contributing to a more organized life. Don't miss out on this fantastic gift opportunity. Orders your today, guys. Link is in description below. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I truly appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to tune me. Your support means the world to me, and every view and like comment is just not just numbers. It's a reminder that I am connecting with real people who share my patience. It motivates me to keep creating content that inspire, entertain and inform. I strive to bring you valuable insight and engaging story, and your feedback is invaluable in shaping that journey. So please keep sharing your thoughts, what you love, what you want to see more of, and even what could be better. Your input help me grow as a creator. Remember, this community is built on interactions. I want to hear from you. Let's continue this conversation in the comment and thought message. Your engagement fuel my creativity and help me understand what resonates with you. As we move forward, I promise to keep delivering the best content I can, whether it's tips, tutorial, or just some fun moment. I am here for you. So thank you once again for being a part of my journey. If you have not already, make sure to hit that follow button so you don't miss out on what's coming next. And together, let's create something amazing. Until next time, stay tuned, stay inspired, and remember, your support makes all the differences. Till then, bye, take care, guys. Thank you for watching my video.